So let's talk about a really great, spicy, simple chicken dish. This is a really simple, easy way to enjoy a piece of chicken that you can have with vegetables, whatever you would like. But it's beautiful to put into a chicken sandwich, chicken nuggets, whatever you would like. So here in this bowl, we have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And what I am gonna do with my chicken thighs while they're in here, I'm just gonna put a light salt and pepper across the top of these. I also have an egg wash that's already ready. I took 1 egg, and I'm using a brown rice flour here. I mainly cook everything gluten-free. And so for the amount I have for those 4, I'm gonna use 2 heaping tablespoons, so probably 3 tablespoons of this brown rice flour. And I also have this amazing Baker Rub and Smoke. And it's a pre-blended seasoning mix, so you can add whatever seasoning you like. Or if you have a favorite rub or seasoning mix from someone around, then you definitely want to be using that. And in this particular one, it has a little bit of brown sugar, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, sea salt, black pepper, and that chili powder. I'm gonna put 1 heaping tablespoon of that. I'm also gonna add a little bit more onion powder to this, and about a tablespoon more, because I really want that extra flavor. And we've got some garlic powder here. So the same thing is I'm gonna add about another tablespoon of garlic powder. So in this mixture, wanna make sure I've got the flour and the Baker Rub and Smoke and that garlic and onion powder really mixed together, because this is really gonna create that crispy coating. So if you like extra heat, you could put some sriracha powder into this. You could add some extra hot paprika or any other seasoning. Add it into your crispy coating mixture. So here we go. These are gonna go into the air fryer, and they're gonna be in that air fryer for about 10 minutes. So we've got our chicken. I'm just gonna put that into our egg wash, and then we're going to roll that into the rub and the seasoning. And just put a little coating on that, and that's gonna go into the air fryer. And what I'm gonna show you right here is I've wanted to make sure that all the pieces in there aren't touching each other so that they fry up and crisp up properly. I have the timer set on that for 10 minutes, so we can set it and forget it. I often say that timers are your friend. There is that chicken, that beautiful chicken dish. Finished up.
Nice.
The beautiful crispy coating on the outside. Wonderful flavor. Put your favorite hot sauce, sweet sauce, sour cream. We say food is meant to be sauce.